Hello, I'm in a 2015 GMC Terrain, and today I'm going to show you how to add coolant. So first open the hood, and with the vehicle turned off and cooled down, this will be where you add your new coolant. Make sure you don't do this while the vehicle's on or hot, just because this system works under pressure and this coolant can get to a boil. So you don't want to risk having a bunch of poisonous boiling liquid shoot out onto you. But that said, when you're ready, I'd double check your owner's manual or good online source as well that you've got the best type of coolant for your make and model. And also typically you want to match the same type of coolant and color that what's already in here if you can. Better not to mix and match. But to add, we'll just unscrew this cap. And then with a funnel or straight from your diluted coolant jug, just fill as needed till you're around the full mark. There is supposed to be some air gap, so don't fill all the way to the top. When you finish, screw this back on nice and tight. And then from there, I would probably recommend running the vehicle for a few minutes to circulate the new coolant. And while it does that, I would check all around your engine bay, your radiator, all your reservoirs and lines, and under the vehicle to see if you see any liquid puddling. If there is, and that's coolant, that may be an indication of an area of the vehicle that needs a repair. And a way to tell that apart from, say, water condensation is the coolant should have a slight coloration to it. It should have a slight sweetness smell. And you don't really want it on your skin, but so you have a glove on and feel it, it'll feel slightly slick compared to what water feels like. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.